friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll show you how to make French toast without milk. To make French toast without milk, here are the ingredients we need. Eggs, water, bread for French toast, and then we need butter for frying, and if you don't want to use butter, you can also use vegetable oil or coconut oil. And for the seasonings, I'll use cinnamon and vanilla. This is totally optional, so if you don't have it, just leave it out. So really the only necessary ingredients you need are bread, egg, and water. So what we are going to do is first preheat, if you're using the griddle, I preheated it till 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have the griddle, you can also use frying pan, and for the frying pan, you're going to use medium-high heat. So now I'm going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl. And I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And half a teaspoon of vanilla. And now whisk it together until combined. So now I'm going to melt butter. So basically just use as much butter as you need. So if you had a smaller frying pan, you'd need probably about 1 tablespoon. For a bigger griddle, I'm going to use more. So I'm going to make French toast with 4 slices of bread. So I'm just going to have 2 tablespoons of butter here in the middle of the griddle. And just make sure it coats the surface for cooking. And now let's dip the bread in the egg mixture on both sides. And then add it to the griddle. And now let's cook French toast on this side for about 4 minutes or until it's well browned, and keep a close eye on it, especially if you're using a frying pan. Just make sure it doesn't burn, and then we're going to flip it and finish cooking it on the other side. So now they've been cooking for 4 minutes on this side. They're ready to be flipped. They're browned on the bottom. And now let's cook them on this side for about 3 minutes or until brown, and then it will be ready. So now after 3 minutes, they're ready on both sides. I'm going to remove it now up from the griddle. So see, the side is also browned. And now I'm going to remove it. It looks so good. What a perfect French toast, and it's made without milk. And now I'm going to turn off the griddle, and if you have a frying pan, then turn off the frying pan. That looks amazing. So if you don't have milk and you're craving French toast, really the only ingredients you need are bread, egg, and water. The seasonings, vanilla and cinnamon, totally optional. So also if you don't have it, you don't really need it. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So let me just take a slice here for me to try. And I'm going to pour some maple syrup. So good. I love maple syrup. And now let's try it. It's so good. It tastes as good as it looks. You will love this French toast. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!